Hello, Dr. Stuti.
Hi.
I have a query for my skincare. Can you help me with products?
Yeah, sure. What you want to know?
Cleanser.
So there are different type of cleansers for sensitive skin, for dry skin. So you can have this or this option.
Acne control.
So if someone has oily skin, they need not to use moisturizer or they have to use oil-free moisturizer like this or this.
If someone has dull skin.
For pigmentation, you can have different creams which are available for day and night. So they can detan you, and in this summer they can help you for your pigmentation like 1, 2 or 3.
What do you say about moisturizer?
Moisturizer is basically for dry skin जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा lotions या creams की ज़रूरत पड़ती है every now and then. So you can have these options.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen is required to protect your skin from this scorching heat. So આ ગરમીમાં તમારે યુઝ કરવા માટે 1, 2 કે 3 ઓપ્શન. Thank you.